Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, dear students. How are you? I'm also fine. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, my dear students. In previous class, we learned animals' name, some animals, and today we learn that animals where they live. আমরা গত ক্লাসে কিছু প্রাণীদের নাম জেনেছিলাম, ঠিক আছে? আজ জানবো সেই প্রাণীগুলো কোথায় থাকে। তার আগে দেখি তোমাদের মনে আছে কিনা সেই প্রাণীগুলোর নাম। তোমরা বলতে পারবে? জি। আচ্ছা, তাহলে চলো প্রত্যেকে একটা একটা করে অ্যানিমালস নেম বলবো। Which animals we learn in previous day? Which animals? That's animal's name. Akish ma'am, you say what's?
Tiger.
Tiger. Very good. Now Moriam, you say what's?
Monkey.
Monkey. Very good. Mim, you say what's? Bear. Act loudly. Bear. Okay, very good. You say Nova. Deer. Very good. Okay, Tahsin, you stand up. You say
Fox.
fox. Very good. Shakib, you say
Lion.
lion. Very good. Clap, everyone. Now we learn animals where they live. Okay, forest. Forest. A tiger lives in a forest. Okay. Shade. A cow lives in a shade. Tree. A monkey lives in a tree. Rat. Den. Den. Lion lives in a den. Nest.
A bird lives in a nest.
Nest.
Monkey.
Pakhi Basha. Very good. This is pond. Pakhi Basha.
Fish lives in a pond.
This is pond. Trace and write the words. Okay, there are 4 animals named.